Tara, let's explore this brand new 4-bedroom house with swimming pool na sigurado magugustuhan mo. This property sits on a 280 square meter lot with a floor area of 400 square meters. This is located in BF Resort Village, Las Piñas City. This is your 3-vehicle carport. So, paano naging 3? 1, 2, and 3. So, ang maganda dito, hindi ka lalagpas pag nagpark ka. Kasi meron ka ditong wheel stopper. Tara, pasok tayo.